Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my April unboxing for LipMonthly. It's this beautiful little bag this month. Hot pink with little clouds on it. Super cute. So, this time it did include a card. Sometimes you don't get one that has the list of products and the values, but most of the time you do. And they recently increased the price of this bag. I believe now it's $12.99, but it's still a really good value because as you can see, some of these are $20 a piece, $19 a piece, and so on. So it is a good deal. So let's take a look at what I got. By Be a Bombshell. It's a lip crayon in the color Trophy Wife. That's cute. So let's see what color. Ooh, that's really pretty. Yeah, that's a nice soft color. That probably will work well for me. Next, from Akari, this is Iridescent Lip Gloss, and the color is Stiletto. That looks really pretty from the little cutout there in the box. And I'm pretty sure I like Hikarri. I know I've gotten stuff from them before. Oh yeah, that's a real fun color. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that. Kind of like a brownish color, but then it has like a red tone to it as well. So we got two more things. Bellapierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Lip Cream. And it's a nude color. This is pretty similar to shades that I wear. Sorry about that. My 1-year-old just came in the room. You gonna say hi? Ooh, that smells good. Let me smell that. Yeah, that almost has like a fruity scent to it. I like that. It's real creamy. And the last item, Lasting Smiles Lip Balm. This is organic Passionfruit Mango. I love lip balm. And I'm dying to smell this because it sounds like it would smell really good. I just put this on. It smells really good and it goes on really smooth and almost like melts when you're putting it on. And I noticed on the little wrapper here, it says Smile for a Cause. Every purchase helps fund cleft surgeries for children, which is super cool. So I will have all their information below in case you want to sign up. Like I said, it's only $12.99, so it's a really good deal for all these items every month. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.